Okay, have you done your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone. Justin? Okay, Devu, it's okay. Bastin? What about your homework? It's completed?
No, ma'am.
Why no? Complete it today itself, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What about Adulya? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Shania, Kshetra, Dominic, Devasena, Sean, Pagat. Try to switch on your cameras. Okay. Now all of you are confident to write the chemical formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So try to write the chemical formula of magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Yeah, Devasena. It's okay. Magnesium hydroxide. Those who have finished, please text me, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sriram. Try to write the chemical formula of magnesium hydroxide. Okay? In your notebook.
Ma'am, magnesium.
Hydroxide. Yeah, Jerlin, you are right. Yeah, Karthik. Yeah, Anjali Priya. Yeah, Gauri, Helsa. Okay, Minha. Yeah, Dulya. Yeah, Sean. Sean, put it in the bracket. That OH, put it in a bracket. Yeah, Justin. Everyone got it? Yeah, Shania, you are right. Fagat, it is not ME. MG. Okay, okay, fine. Everyone got it. Then try to write one more. That is sodium sulfide. Okay, sodium sulfide. And when you send me your answer, send me privately, okay? Not for everyone. So try to find out sodium sulfide. Switch on your cameras. Yeah, Na2. Okay. Anjali Priya Minha, okay. Yeah, Sriram. Yeah, Jerlin, Shania. Shania, please check that once again. Sodium sulfide. Not sulfite, sulfide. Elsa, please check that. Sodium sulfide, not sulfate. Srihari, you too. Karthik, it's not sodium sulfite, sulfide. Yes, Swati. Yeah, Justin, you are right. Shania, that's not right. Okay, what's your answer? Sodium sulfide. Gauri? Yeah, Elsa, now you are right. Yeah, Gauri.
Na2S.
Yeah, Na2S, right? Yeah, I think now all of you are familiar with this chemical formula. Today we are going to find out how we can find out the molecular mass, okay? Molecular mass. All of you
Yes, ma'am.
familiar with the atomic mass, right? Using that atomic mass, we are going to find out the molecular mass. Okay. Lakshmi Nanda. Lakshmi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the atomic mass of nitrogen?
Ma'am, 4.
Huh?
2.
Nitrogen. No, nitrogen atomic mass. Sania, atomic mass of nitrogen?
14.
Yeah, it's 14. What about oxygen, Bastin? Oxygen.
16.
Which one?
16.
Yeah, 16. You are right. So this atomic mass is needed to find out the molecular mass. Okay. So molecular mass. It is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. It is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. Clear? It is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. Therefore, the relative mass of a molecule expressed in atomic mass units. This molecular mass also expressed in terms of this U. That is, the unit of molecular mass is also U. It can be expressed in terms of atomic mass units, that is U. So, molecular mass, it is the sum of the atomic mass of all the elements or all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. Clear? Is this clear for you? Adulya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read this slide once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Molecular mass. Sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance.
Yeah.
Therefore, the relative mass of a molecule expressed in atomic mass units.
Okay, fine. Clear for everyone? Then we can do one example, okay? First one, Water. What is the chemical formula of water?
H2O.
Yeah, H2O. Which are the elements present in H2O?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Yeah, hydrogen and oxygen. Then what about the atomic mass of hydrogen?
1
Everyone?
U.
Everyone. Atomic mass of hydrogen?
1.
1.
Yeah, 1. It's 1 U. Then what about the atomic mass of oxygen?
16 U.
Yeah, it's 16 U, right? Then we are going to, therefore, the molecular mass of H2O, that is equal to, we learned that it is the sum of the atomic masses of all the elements, right? So, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen?
1 U.
Yeah, 1. Here there are 2 hydrogen atoms, right? So, 1 into 2. Then plus, what about the oxygen atom?
16.
Yeah, 16. And there is only 1 oxygen, right? Therefore, 16 into 1. Sum total 2 plus 16, that is equal to 18 U. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will tell you once again. Water, H2O, atomic mass of hydrogen, that is equal to 1, then atomic mass of oxygen 16. Then we are going to find out the molecular mass of this H2O. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1. There are 2 hydrogen atoms, so 1 into 2. Here 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. Then there is only 1 oxygen atom, so 16 into 1. That is equal to 2 plus 16, that is 18 U. And U stands for?
Unified mass.
Yeah, unified mass or atomic mass unit. Okay, fine. Then I will show you one more example. Do you know the chemical formula of nitric acid? Anyone? Nitric acid? No, right? It's HNO3. HNO3. Okay. Abin?
Yes, ma'am.
Abin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell me which are the elements present in this HNO3?
Hydrogen and nitrate.
Hydrogen. Okay, nitrate, or in terms of elements, it is hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. So the atomic mass of hydrogen, that is equal to atomic mass of hydrogen.
1.
Yeah, that's 1, right? Then what about the atomic mass of nitrogen?
14 U.
Yeah, it's 14. Then next one, atomic mass of oxygen. Oxygen?
16 U.
It's 16, right? Then we are going to find out the molecular mass of HNO3. Molecular mass of HNO3. 1 into, there is only 1 hydrogen atom, right? So 1 into 1 plus, next one, the atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. Then there is only 1 nitrogen atom, so into 1. What about oxygen?
3.
Yeah, 16 into 3, right? So 1 plus 14 plus 48. That is equal to, calculate.
Sixty.
63.
60.
It's 63u, right?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Can I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you, please try to find out the molecular mass of ammonia, that is NH3. NH3. Okay. NH3. Shania, please check that once again. NH3. Melita, please check that. Yeah, Minha, Shania, Srihari, you are right. Anjali Priya, please check that. All of you switch on your cameras. So, well, you are right. Yeah, Melita, it's to find out the molecular mass of NH3. Yeah, it's Elsa and Gauri, you are right. Kshetra, Revu, Ashik. Revu, it's okay. Ashik, Lakshmi, Nanda, Syed, Karthik. Everyone switch on your camera. Sriram, Elsa, Amarin, Jaslyn. Shania, don't take like that. NH, nitrogen, hydrogen. Okay. We don't know the atomic mass of NH, ammonium. Try to separate the elements, okay? Elements, not ions. Yeah, Kshetra, Abin, Elna, Rose, right? Jerlin, you are right. Yeah, I think almost everyone got it. I will show it once again. It's NH3, right? So nitrogen, it is 14 into only one nitrogen atom, 14 into 1. Then plus, what about the atomic mass of hydrogen? It is 1
One.
and there are 3 hydrogen atoms, right? So 1 into 3. Then that is equal to 14 plus 3. That is equal to 70U. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do one more. HCl. HCl, hydrochloric acid, HCl. Ahlam Fatima, are you there? No, right? Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once more?
Yeah, HCl, hydrochloric acid.
We should find molecular mass.
Yeah, molecular mass. Yeah, Arun, it's okay. Minha, try to correct it. Shania, you are right. Anjali Priya, there is small correction there. Where is that decimal? Okay, Lakshmi. So, well, there is small mistake there. Minha,
Yes, ma'am.
there is small mistake. Yeah, Bin, you are right. Yes, Srihari, you are right. Okay, wait, look here. I told you HCl, right? What about the atomic mass of hydrogen? It is 1. Then there is only 1 hydrogen atom, so 1 into 1. Then plus chlorine. What about the atomic mass?
35.5.
Yeah, 35.5. And here is only 1 chlorine atom, so 35.5 into 1. Then the sum total 1 plus 35.5, that is equal to 36.5 U. Okay? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Then there is one more term. That is formula unit mass. Okay? Now we learn molecular mass, then formula unit mass. That is similar to that of the molecular mass. Okay? The method of calculating the molecular mass and formula unit mass are similar. The sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound. Sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound. Clear? The same to that of molecular mass. Which are the atoms present in that molecule? The sum of the atomic masses of those all atoms. Then it is calculated in the same manner as we calculate the molecular mass. Only difference is that we use the word formula unit. It is for those substances whose constituent particles are ions. Okay? Whose constituent particles are ions. What do you mean by ions? Anyone? What do you mean by ions? Jerlin? Geraldine, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what do you mean by ions?
Compounds composed of metals and metals containing charges known as ions.
Okay. When a metal and a non-metal combined, they have charged species. Those charged species are known as ions, right? There is a cation and anion. So this word formula unit mass is applied to the molecules whose constituent particles are ions. Okay, whose constituent particles are ions. Example, NaCl. Sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. When they combine together, we got a charged species, Na plus and Cl minus. So that is here. The formula unit mass is applied for those ions. Okay, clear? Clear? Arun, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you read the slide once again?
Formula unit mass.
Yeah.
Sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound.
Okay.
It is calculated in the same manner as we calculate the molecular mass.
Molecular mass.
Molecular mass.
Yeah.
Only difference is that we use the word formula unit for those substances whose constituent particles are ions.
Okay, ions. Then I will show you the example how we can find out this formula unit mass. It's same to that of the molecular mass, okay? Look here, NaCl, sodium chloride. It can be written in a form of single step, okay? That is the atomic mass of sodium. Atomic mass of sodium. Tell me, what is the atomic mass of sodium?
23.
Yeah, 20?
22.
22.
23.
Yeah, it's
23.
23. Yeah, 23 into how many sodium?
And 1.
1, right? Just 1 minute. Before that, all of you switch on your cameras. Those who are informed me, it's okay. Otherwise, all of you switch on your cameras. Gautam, Devasena, Elsa, Sean. Okay. That is 23 into 1. Then what about the chlorine?
35%.
Yeah, it's 35.5 into, there is only one chlorine atom, right? So, into 1. So, 23 plus 35.5. Okay, calculate and tell me the answer.
58.5.
Yeah, it's, yeah, very good. 58.5. And what's the unit? Yeah, tell me what's the unit? What's the unit?
Mu.
U. U for?
Unified mass.
Yeah, unified mass or atomic mass unit. So, same way as we calculate the molecular mass, we are finding out this formula unit mass. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will show you one more example. Oh, now the time is up. So, I will give that example in the next class, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your attendance. Ahlam, are you present? Ahlam? No? Then Anthony Maxi? No. Ashik present, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Then Joel? No. So the absentees are Ahlam Fatima, then Anthony Maxi, Joel Top, right? Only 3.
Rosmi, tell me when your next class is.
Suggest wait.
Nancy.
Yeah. 9C, 12:55, sir.
12:55.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just send a message. Just tell
Okay,
me
okay.
today's.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, all of you complete your homework, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, see you next class. Thank
Thank
you
you,
all.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.